Hello beautiful, what's good? It's your girl Chris Corio here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to start really basic. I want you to think about 3 affirmations. They are I am loved, I am worthy, and I am in charge. Now, these affirmations are what are going to be said every time that you do the exercises I'm about to teach you, which are breathing exercises and specifically diaphragmatic breathing. Now, diaphragmatic breathing is simply using this big muscle down here that is responsible for respiration. Any of that muscle is damaged, then you're going to have to be put on life support. So, we're going to be focusing on diaphragmatic breathing, which is also really great in terms of helping with anxiety. It helps to relax you, relieve tension from the body, and it also helps to set the tone for a sensual meditation. So while we're doing this breathing, every time you breathe in, I want you to whisper the affirmations: I am worthy, I am loved, I am in charge, in any particular order that resonates with you. Okay? So we're going to be utilizing a 4-to-4 ratio in terms of our breath in. Will be 4 counts in and 4 counts out. Of course, I'm doing the breathing exercises with you, and so you will be guided by my voice. But if at any point in time you feel lost, you just want to kind of go off on your own and just move with your own flow, go ahead and do so. So we're going to start simply on the floor. So lying down nice and comfortably. If you are a person who has perhaps back issues and probably lying down flat on your back is not available because it increases your pain, then what I advise, this may or may not help, for some persons it will. You can put a cushion under the knees and of course what you can do is adjust until that feels comfortable for you. So if this height is okay, then go ahead and use that. If not, you may need to increase the height. I'm going to go ahead and increase the height just so that you can see what that would look like. Some persons may have plusher cushions. My cushions are rather used and very flat, the ones that I use here in my work studio. So use what works for you. So we're lying down on the floor and you're going to rock your hips until you feel nice and comfortable. I want to encourage you as well to press your lower back into the floor. And the hands are going to be gently placed right at the bottom of the rib cage, which is where the diaphragm really stretches across from one side to the next. And I want you to focus just on relaxing self. So without any sort of counts, I just want you to relax. Feel the jawline relax, feel the throat relax as you just do regular breaths in and out as you need it. And once you start to feel yourself melt into the space, I want you to whisper the affirmations: I am loved, I am worthy, I am in charge. And again, I am loved, I am worthy, I am in charge. Now we're going to get into the diaphragmatic breathing. What I want you to feel as you breathe in, the rib cage will expand for 4 counts. And as you exhale or breathe out, the rib cage will come back to baseline position. So we're going to breathe in 4 counts and breathe out for 4 counts. And every time you breathe in, you whisper those affirmations: I am loved, I am worthy, I am in charge. And when you breathe out, you want to think about removing from your very cells any sort of negative or toxic energy. In 3, relax the shoulders, relax the hips, press the lower back into the floor. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. I am love. Breathe in. 4 count. 3, 2, 1, and breathe out. 2, 3, 4. And again.
I am worthy.
1, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out. 2, 3, 4. And again, breathe in. I am in charge. 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4. And fourth one. Breathe in. I am worthy. 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4.
I am loved. I am worthy. I am in charge.
Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. This was breathing, specifically diaphragmatic breathing. If you want to see more videos like this, tune in again next week. I will be dropping another video just like this one.
Before you go, check out my group fitness program. This happens live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tap the link in the caption or the link above for more information to join us live.